Have you ever noticed that in a room full of people, the most dangerous person is usually the quietest? The poor are loud. They scream for attention. They wear their bank accounts on their wrists. They beg to be seen. But the wealthy? The truly wealthy? They are ghosts. They understand a simple law of nature that 99% of people ignore. Privacy is power. Silence is security. Today, I will teach you the 1% rule. By the end of this video, you will understand why your mouth is the biggest enemy of your success. Rule number 1. Noise creates targets. In the wild, the animal that makes the most noise gets eaten first. In capitalism, it's no different. When you announce your plans, you invite sabotage. When you flash your money, you invite lawsuits, fake friends, and jealousy. The 1% stay quiet not because they are shy, but because they are strategic. They know that you cannot attack what you cannot see. Sun Tzu said, "Let your plans be dark and impenetrable as night, and when you move, fall like a thunderbolt." If they don't know your income, they can't tax it. If they don't know your next move, they can't block it. Rule number 2, the validation trap. Why do people post everything? Why do they scream about their hustle? Because they are insecure. They need strangers to tell them they are valuable. The 1% operate differently. They don't need applause. They need assets. Real power doesn't need to shout. A lion doesn't have to walk around the jungle telling everyone he's a lion. You just know. When you are truly winning, you lose the desire to prove it to people who are losing. So, here's your challenge for the next 6 months. Go ghost. Tell no one about your new business. Tell no one about your gym routine. Tell no one about your investments. Let them think you are losing. Let them think you are average. Build in the dark. Suffer in silence. And when you finally emerge, don't say a word. Let your results make the noise.